Follow these easy steps to add Acronis Backup through the Leaseweb Customer Portal. First, log into the Customer Portal and go to the Acronis Backup page. Here you can view all your existing backup packs, but if you don't have backup yet, click on Order Backup. You will be redirected to the Backup Configurator where you select the relevant backup location, as well as the backup storage size that you require. You can also select the desired billing cycle and contract terms before adding the product to your cart. Review your order and proceed to checkout. Once you agree to the terms and conditions, select the payment method and complete the order. You'll receive a confirmation that your order was successful. Go back to the Leaseweb Customer Portal to view your new order. Once completed, the status will change to active and the backup has been provisioned on the Leaseweb and Acronis portals. On the Acronis Backup page, you can see the details of the pack, access the Acronis portal for configuring and managing the backups, and also upgrade to larger packs if you reach your storage quota. You are now ready to start protecting your data. Check out our other video for more details about the easy process of upgrading your backup storage.